Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and access. First, back up your Google account, photos, and any files to cloud or to a PC. This avoids permanent loss. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi so downloads complete. You need your Google account username and password for post-reset activation. Now go to Settings, choose System, then Reset Options, and tap Erase All Data to begin the formatting process. You confirm the action and provide your PIN or password. This ensures you authorize the wipe. After you tap Reset Phone, the device runs through a wipe sequence. This can take several minutes depending on storage. Once done, it will automatically reboot into first boot. Make sure you do not remove power or force a shutdown during this phase because interrupted writes can cause issues. If the phone fails to reboot or gets stuck, you can boot into recovery mode with power plus volume keys and select Wipe Data / You complete setup by selecting language, connecting to Wi-Fi, and signing in with your Google account so the device can activate and restore any available backups. If you encounter Factory Reset Protection Lock, you must sign in with the Google account that was previously synced. This is a security measure. If the phone misbehaves after reset, reboot into recovery and run Wipe Cache Partition to clear temporary files. If problems persist, contact the manufacturer or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.